Next on the list, we've got starting an AI business, but more precisely, selling AI automation services to businesses. Now, the advantage of doing this is that it's very high ticket, meaning I've got a client, for example, who charges 10K per month per client. And that's somebody I've coached one-to-one who before was a regular 9 to 5 employee. He was an engineer, his name is Azar, and now he's making, last time I spoke to him, he was making 25 grand per month with like 2, 3 customers. But the reason why it's worked for him and why it's probably not going to work for you or for most people is because he really loves this. Like he's an engineer originally. He's a very logical, rational mind and he loves all this AI stuff, computer stuff. A lot of people, they don't. They're just going to start an AI thing just for the money and they're not really going to stick to it. If you fucking hate it, what's the point? When you can make just as much money selling courses and coaching on the thing that you love. In any market, I literally showed you some people make over 200 grand a month teaching fucking mindset. Like if you can teach mindset and make 200 grand a month, you can literally sell anything. You just need to know how to position it correctly, which if you don't, and you probably don't right now, otherwise you would not be watching this video, just click the link in the description, book a free one-to-one call. You're gonna be talking to me directly. I've made thousands of dollars a day. Anytime somebody gets on the call with me, I know exactly what to tell them and what to show them and what to help them with. Because I've got that experience of talking to literally hundreds, even thousands of people at this point, so I notice trends and patterns. So for that reason, I'm going to put AI services in B tier, simply because for most people, it's extremely difficult. They don't have the skills. But if you do have the skills, it would be an A tier, even S tier opportunity. But the better thing would be to know stuff about AI and sell a course on AI. That would be absolutely S tier. So for most people, it's going to be B tier at best. So if you want a mentor, you want to learn from somebody who's done this very successfully, as you can see, like take a look at those fucking numbers. You can just click the link in the description below. There's a quick free training, but most importantly, book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can start selling online courses, even if you don't know what your course should be about, even if you work a lot already, you don't have that much time, etc. I'm gonna show you everything, and you don't even have to pay for it. If it's a good fit, we might work together, you might become a part of my paid program, but even if it's not, you're gonna walk away with clarity on exactly what to do, a step-by-step plan. Like where else are you gonna find that for free? So if I were you, I would click on the link in the description below, book my free call, and get my free step-by-step plan before all the spots are taken. Because I'm pretty busy, like I don't take 10 calls a day or whatever. I don't have that many spots.